Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Suzuki Boulevard C50 Black. This is an 805 cc twin cylinder. It's a V-twin, liquid cooled, fuel injection, middleweight cruiser. Got a lot of cool options on this, including engine guards with highway foot pegs, Kiriakin style grips. It's got a Mustang seat for rider and passenger, super comfortable custom seat, and leather Suzuki Boulevard saddlebags. And don't forget the Vance & Hines straight pipe exhaust. If you like to make a little noise, you are going to love this bike. Come by, check it out. Only 12,000 miles on this bike for just $39.99. Got passenger floorboards also for your passengers who don't like to use foot pegs. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts, just 12,800 miles. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Wait till you hear this. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.